Troll tutorial: how to improve your life. You will need computer, internet, and a lack of bitches.
Step 1. Install League of Legends.
Can't wait to finally play this game.
Troll tip: use magnets for faster installation.
Step 2. Play the game.
This is actually really fun.
Step 3. Load.
Man, I can't believe I already hit platinum. I am climbing so fast. I got like 2 penta kills today. Literally on fire. I will grind more this weekend. I will be diamond in no time.
Step 4. Play more League.
Okay, I only need to win 2 games to reach diamond. Should not be that hard. I'm goated on Yone. Let's go. One more win and I will be diamond. This should be a piece of cake. Did I seriously just lose? I was so far ahead. What the actual fuck?
Step 5. Do not end on a loss.
No big deal. I will just play some more games and get back into promos. This should only take a couple of hours tops. I don't see how anything could possibly go wrong.
3 months later.
Enemy rampage.
Oh my god, can you guys stop ending for 5 minutes and just let me carry?
A few moments later.
Holy shit, my teammates are so fucking bad. I literally had 20 kills and they still surrendered. I feel so fucking hopeless playing this game. No matter how well I perform, I seem to always lose. It is like nothing is under my control. I hate this game so much. Holy shit, I am going to kill myself. Wait. Why do I even play this game anymore? I have not been having fun for a long time. The game seems to just keep getting worse. I literally have no reason to continue playing anymore. Why not just quit?
Because you cannot. It is not your choice. I have always been in control. You are my prisoner. I will never let you leave. Never, ever, 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 ever.
That is enough. I am not doing this anymore. You have no power. You are nothing but a game. A game that I will uninstall.
Well, you are forgetting one thing.
Oh, what am I forgetting?
That I don't remember.
Step 7. Go outside. What a beautiful day. Better check the mailbox. What have we got here? I really don't want to deal with this. If only there was some way to avoid my responsibilities and reality as a whole. Wait a minute. I've got an idea. Step
1. Install League of Legends.
Can't wait to finally play this game.
Troll